Hey, my name's Danielle, and today I have a Nadine West unboxing and haul. If you guys have been like me and been on the edge of maybe trying out this company and was super interested but not knowing if it was like the real deal, and you guys want to see my honest opinion and a real life unboxing, go ahead and stay tuned. Hey friends, welcome back. So today I have another fashion haul. I went ahead and posted a poll on the community tab here on YouTube and gave you guys the option, and you all chose a fashion haul. So that's what we're gonna do. So you guys probably seen my last like online fashion haul, and it was a total bust. So I went ahead, and a lot of people were suggesting to me the company Nadine West. I've seen a lot of these companies on the internet, a lot of unboxings, and I always like them because I think it's really exciting to like kind of, it's like opening Christmas gifts almost to me. Like someone's ordering, like picking you out some outfits, and then you get to unbox them and see what you like. So that's pretty much what Nadine West is. This is an online subscription. You go ahead, you sign up, you do a little quiz, you pick out like your kind of style of clothes, your size of clothes, all these things, and you get your own personal stylist, and they pick a few items for you and they go ahead and send them to you. You can do shipments every 2 to 4 weeks. I opted for 4 weeks. And if you don't like the items, you go ahead and you send them back. That's it. Very easy. So like I said, I went ahead and I made myself a little account, took the quiz, and I like the box. First off, let's just say this pink is bomb. I have it flipped this way, guys, because my address is on the other side and I don't want anybody to come to my house and kill me. But yeah, so this is how it comes. It came really, really quickly as well. And I just think it's really feminine and girly. So you're gonna open up your paper here, and inside you get like a already pre-printed label if you wanted to send anything back, which I love because I hate trying to find a printer and print out the shipping labels. And in the package comes a like thing of what you got here. So it says, "Hi Danielle, the shipment is our first step at identifying your style. If we nailed it, great. If not quite there yet, don't worry. We'll take your feedback and give it another shot. By logging into your profile and adjusting your style quiz as needed, it'll be of a tremendous help." So they go ahead and they tell you the name of the items that you got and the actual price of them. And it says, it gives you the total information too. It says if you're going to return anything, here's the packaging label. Go ahead, send everything back. And they give you a deadline on when to send the packages back. So make sure you, if you don't like this stuff, make sure you keep that deadline in mind. So yeah, I'm excited. What you got for me? What you got for me, Nadine? Okay, so let's pull the stuff out here. Okay, it comes in like this little pink tissue paper. Okay, first thing we see is a shirt. This is actually really cute. I think I sized all my shirts in a medium. So this is the shirt. I love this. I love the colors. The colors are beautiful. I like how it's like just a loose fitting, really casual shirt. I like it. I was kind of nervous, I'm not gonna lie, about ordering stuff from this because sometimes I feel like it's a little bit too conservative for me. Not saying I'm like super scandalous with the way I dress, but I still shop at like Forever 21, okay? Like I know I'm like getting old, but I don't care. I'm holding on. So anyways, I was kind of nervous, like, man, I hope they don't send me like something that's just way too conservative and I don't like anything. But I really, really love this. This will be super cute. We're actually going to take the girls pumpkin picking tomorrow, so I'm totally going to wear this. I am going to insert pictures at the end so you guys can take a look. I really love the sleeves. Like it's a cuffed sleeve. This is really, really nice. Let's see. It tells you how much this is. And sometimes too, I think these companies, I'm not going to put any companies on blast, but I think their clothing prices are really unrealistic. I'm super, super cheap when it comes to buying clothes. So this one is $27.19, I think. That's not bad. I really like this. Yeah, okay, so this is first one. I'm digging it. Second one is a tank top. I don't know. Well, it's cute. Let's see. Oh, it has like this really pretty neckline on it. So this would probably, and it's like flowy. It's like a cream color. And you know, it's actually already really cold here in the Midwest. Like today I think the high is only 40 and we get down to freezing at night already. So this would be cute, probably with just like a cardigan over it or something like that. The neckline is nice. Yeah, I definitely am going to have to wear a cardigan over it because this weather is not having it right now. But this is pretty. I don't know. We'll see how it looks. I really don't wear shirts like this too often, you know, but let me see how it looks. I think it's pretty though. It is really nice. Oh, we got some jewelry. Are these hoops? Hell yeah. Hell yeah, Nadine. You see me coming, girl. Mm-hmm. Yeah, you knew what your girl was about. So I am a huge hoop girl. Like, I am a 90s girl, old school. Like, this is my thing here, okay? So hell yes, digging these gold. I love gold for the fall and the winter time, so score. And another pink one. Oh, let me tell you about the shirt. Hold on. The white shirt was 20 bucks and the earrings are $8. And this bracelet is $16.99. Why is this bracelet $16.99? I don't really buy a lot of bracelets. Oh, pretty though. It's like a brown leather with like gold, if you guys can see. Really cute. And it has like this clasp on it. Let me see. Yeah, it actually looks really cute with the shirt I'm wearing right now, if you guys can see. Yeah, I like these. This is really pretty. I would never have bought something like this for myself, so I like it. I don't know if I would pay $16.99 for it, just saying, but I really like it. Like I said, I'm really cheap. Sorry. I got kids, you know, I feel like the kids need more stuff than I do. All right, here goes the next bag. It came like wrapped, also in this pink tissue paper. Right here we have workout leggings. Oh, I hope these fit. I ordered all my bottoms in a large, but then I'm like, man, maybe I should have did an extra large. That's why I'm kind of always iffy about buying stuff off the internet, because like, you know, when you're in the stores, you're like, and you kind of do one of these, and then, let me see, are they like see-through? No, they don't seem see-through. Okay, so they're like a gray marble, which I did, you know, I live in leggings. What I really do like is this side paneling right here. Is it mesh? It is mesh. So that's like really, really cute. These would be really cute with just a pair of like sneakers and just maybe like a black t-shirt or something. This is perfect mom wear right here. I really like these. I hope they don't put the emphasis on my like lower belly, because you know I struggle with that a little bit, but hopefully these fit me really good. Let me tell you how much these were. They're real thick too, so that's nice. They're not cheapy ones. Bottoms, side to side gray. These were $26. What's this? Okay, this is all wrapped up. Oh, this is like a black cardigan. Okay, so I can probably wear that white shirt with this one. Then maybe that's kind of the idea they're going with. So it's like a thin cardigan, but what I look at, it slits on the side. So that's kind of cute. That'll kind of give it a little something something. I bet you I could even wear these, because I see girls at like the drop-off line when I take the kids to school, and the moms sometimes wear like workout leggings with like these cardigans. So that might be cute. Is it? Oh, and it's not like, so I always have a hard time because I feel like they're just so tight on me, you know? So this one is like, it's fitted, but it's not too fitted. And this would be a nice piece to transition to for spring as well. Okay. Okay, I see you. I see you, Nadine. I see you. Let me tell you how much that one is. It's the Cape cardigan, and it was $24. That's not actually bad, because I know those things for some reason are god-awfully expensive. All right, and I got two more bags here. What is this? Looks like a necklace, maybe. Looks like a wishbone, like the Italian wishbone necklaces. I don't really wear stuff like this. I'm not gonna lie. I do like necklaces, but I like either like statement necklaces. This is all tangled up. One second. I either like statement necklaces, like kind of the bigger antique looking ones, or just kind of small dainty ones. I actually have a nameplate from like the 90s, but my chain had broke years and years ago. I want to say it broke when I was like 15, and I never replaced it. Now I'm like looking to replace it now because nameplates are back, and I was like, been there, girl. Still got, and I got like a good one too. I ain't got no cheapy one, so I'm like, let me go ahead. What the hell did happen here? Yeah, it's all tangled up. I gotta untangle it. But anyways, yeah, I don't know. This really isn't my style. I'm not gonna lie. I don't, like I said, wear stuff like this, but I probably can No, one of my kids would probably wear it. So yeah, it's like a little wishbone, and it's like a black and almost metallic gold. So that's really pretty. I like the colors, it's just not my thing, and it hangs low. But I will try everything on so you guys get the feel for it. It's just, these aren't, like I said, something I would wear, but probably one of my kids will, so they would enjoy it. Especially like with Thanksgiving coming up, I could see one of the girls wanting to wear it. Mostly my Sophie. My Sophia is really into, you know, jewelry and earrings and bracelets and stuff like that. It's kind of her thing. Okay, I'm just making this more tangled. All right, one more thing. Oh, let me see how much that necklace was. Danielle, get it together. Lucky Wishbone necklace, $18.99. But not pay $18.99 for that. Just being honest. All right. Oh, these are earrings. Yeah, I can tell you right now, I would never wear these. These are just, I just feel a little bit too old and older for me and not my style. But these are like these double petal earrings. I mean, I guess they're cute. I don't wear stuff like this. You know, you'll never see me kind of wearing stuff like this, but they're cute. They're almost like ceramic though. They are like really nicely made. They got a little weight to them. These are the Primrose Whispers. These are $16.99. I could see these being $16.99 because, like I said, they're not like a cheapy. They're pretty heavy. But yeah, I wouldn't pay $16.99 for no earrings either. But yeah, so that's what they look like. So here you go. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead, like I said, and we will insert pictures and kind of try to style this as best as I can. My thoughts on this: I actually really like the idea. I like the fact that you can send this stuff back. I like the quality of the clothes, but I think the prices are pretty realistic. I know, like I said, a lot of companies, they send you $60, $70, $80 shirts. Never will happen in my lifetime. I don't know if I'm just getting cheap in my old age, but it's just never gonna happen. But I do like the way it comes packaged. It was really quick, and I like that you can do every 2 to 4 weeks, and I like the fact that they send you everything so you can ship it back. I think for the clothing part, it was pretty good. Some of this jewelry stuff is just not my style, and I think jewelry is just a really personal preference to a lot of people and what they like to wear, so I'm not going to hold that against them. But yeah, I definitely would recommend this for sure. So maybe I can probably link her stuff down below, and so you guys can go ahead and get your own box. And it's just like a little gift to yourself, and who doesn't like getting a little gift to themselves every year? I don't do a lot of like the subscription boxes, but this is one that I actually really like because, especially with the holidays and stuff like that, you always need something kind of a fresh piece to add to your wardrobe because, you know, you could always rewear the same jeans, but when it comes to tops and stuff like that, I feel like you're always needing to change it up. So, you know, when you're seeing a lot more people during this time of the year. So, yeah, so I definitely recommend it. Let's see how they fit. That's the big key. If they don't fit, then we got problems. But I will insert everything and let you guys know. So here is the first shirt. Don't look at my dirty desk. But here is the first shirt. I'm digging it. I mean, I think it's really cute. I wish I would have done like a size large. I think I might change that and go up a bigger size. But I like it. I like where it sits. It is really cute. The colors are perfect for fall. So, okay. So far, so good. Oh, okay. So here is the white shirt. I actually really like the neckline. I didn't think I was gonna like it, but it adds a little something. So, okay. And it is kind of, like I said, I did get this in a medium. So, I don't know. I do like the way the neckline looks. How it adds this to there. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. This is going a lot better than the last one. A lot better than the last one. Alright, so let's throw on, we're going to throw this on over it. Because obviously, with the way Chicago weather is acting right now. Okay, okay. Yes, okay, this is cute. This is cute. This is like, if you were in a business environment, this is like adding a little something. But then you got this over it. And then you see how it slits on the side? That's cute. Okay. Okay, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. This is actually really cute. I am like, my mirror's over here, so I'm like pleasantly surprised. It's like grown and sexy. It's like I'm a businesswoman, but I'm here to slay. And this is nice. Okay. Okay. All right, let's try on those pants. Let's see. I'm really nervous about them. I'm going to keep this shirt on, but we can try the pants on. Okay, I'm going to be honest with you guys. These pants are not working at all. They are too small. They just don't look good. I don't even want to put them out on camera, but they are a little sheer. They are too small. My daughter might like these. I'll probably give them to her. But yeah, let me show you guys. So here are the pants. I mean, they are cute on the sides, but they just don't fit at all. They're just too small, and they just make me look like a sack of busted biscuits. But they're cute. They just, I would probably size up and do an extra large for sure. So here are the pants. So what do I think? This was not as big of a freaking disaster as the last one. I'll give them that. These sizes, I feel like they're more of a junior size than I don't want to say misses, but that's kind of what I'm thinking. But this shirt, like I said, I wasn't too hip on it. It wasn't really my style, but I do really like it. The other one I really like as well. I definitely would wear that more with like a pair of black leggings and a pair of jeans that I had on. These pants are really, really cute, and I really wish they fit. They just don't, and ugh. I just don't like the way I look in them. But my kid would love these. I'm going to give these to Rhea. She will love these. These will be perfect for school, but these are just not, these aren't okay. So the 3 shirts are 100% a-okay. The pants would be great if they fit. So overall, what am I going to give the Nadine West experience? I'm going to say go for it. If you guys have that little extra money in your budget each month and you guys are looking for these subscription boxes and want to try them out, I would for sure try these out. I really like it. I like that it's more moderately priced, and the clothes are pretty good quality. They're not cheap at all. So, all right, guys, I will wrap this video up. Let me know what you think, and if you liked any of these pieces, let me know below. All right, bye, guys.